Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour of the new Popeyes location, and this one is at the corner of Hope Road and Lady Musgrave Road. So there it is, Hope Road and Waterloo Road, right across from Devon House. And there it is over there. It just opened recently, and the Popeyes Restaurant is open. That's the drive-through we're looking at there. And there's going to be a Krispy Kreme over there as well, but that Krispy Kreme hasn't opened yet. So where we are now is we are on Hope Road. If we go straight across, we go on Hope Road and go down to Halfway Tree. Turn left, we go on Trafalgar Road, and we're turning right and going on to Waterloo Road now and going into the Popeyes location to take a quick driving tour. On the right, that's Devon House. Okay, so they seem to have a lot of parking. Okay, so Popeyes is on the ground floor as well as Krispy Kreme. I'm not sure what, it's a two-story building. Not sure what's going to be at the top floor, but it does seem to have a lot of parking space. Okay, so this is a drive-through entrance. Popeye seems to be doing very well in Jamaica because they have quite a few stores open now. Of course, the number one fast food in Jamaica is KFC. We also have Burger King. But I think the same persons that operate Popeyes own the franchise for Burger King as well. And this will be the first Krispy Kreme in Jamaica. Krispy Kreme, they are going to sell donuts. Okay, so we'll just take a look at everything from this angle. Okay. Alright, so that is the new Popeyes. Opened probably a few days ago. Okay, good look at the building. Now coming out of here looks like it's going to be very difficult. You can't exit onto Hope Road because that is just an entrance. When the cars go around the drive-through, they have to come up that way, so you can't exit onto Hope Road. Now to go here, you have to go across. Luckily the light just changed, so we were able to, but this is a very busy road, and there is no sign that says no right turn. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge to get out of there, especially during the evening traffic when the road has back to back, where the traffic is backed up on the road. Alright, so we're now on Trafalgar Road. And I'm trying to think where is if there's a Popeyes in New Kingston or Halfway Tree. I can't remember seeing one. If you guys can remember if there's a Popeyes in New Kingston or Halfway Tree, let us know. But that's probably the closest one to the one that we just toured. That's probably the closest one to this area. And the good thing is that they have a drive-through. Well, that was a empty lot, no building was on it before, so they were able to design the building how they wanted, and it has 2 drive-thrus, one for the Popeyes and one for the Krispy Kreme. So they built it from the ground up basically, so they could use any design they wanted. Alright, we're going to go through New Kingston just to see if there's a Popeyes here. I know there's a Burger King and of course a KFC. But Popeyes seems to be doing very well in Jamaica because they're opening stores all over the place. One thing about KFC is the food is excellent, but you have to wait so long to get the food that sometimes you wonder if it's worth it. Other fast food restaurants don't take as long as KFC. Alright, so this is Knutsford Boulevard now. This is the heart of New Kingston. There's a Starbucks, a Pizza Hut, an Island Grill, Burger King, Juicy Patties, some Chinese restaurants, and then straight ahead is KFC. So no, there is no Popeyes in New Kingston. So that will be the location. The one that we just toured will be the closest one to New Kingston.